Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things health and nutrition. Today, we're diving into the world of protein powders. We'll uncover what makes them unique, what are the benefits, and how they fit into your fitness goals. So, let's get started. 1. Whey protein. Whey protein is a high-quality protein derived from milk during the cheese-making process. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs. This makes it an excellent choice for muscle growth, recovery, and overall health. Benefits of whey protein. Whey protein offers several fantastic benefits, making it a staple for many athletes and fitness enthusiasts. First and foremost, it's rapidly absorbed by the body, making it an ideal post-workout option. This quick absorption helps kickstart the muscle repair process, which is essential for recovery. Whey protein types. Whey protein comes in different forms: whey protein concentrate, whey protein isolate, and whey protein hydrolysate. Concentrate contains some fats and carbohydrates but is often more affordable. Isolate has a higher protein content and is lower in carbs and fats, making it great for those watching their macros. Hydrolysate is pre-digested, making it the fastest absorbing, perfect for those with sensitive stomachs or those looking for the fastest recovery. How to use whey protein. Whey protein is incredibly versatile. You can mix it with water, milk, or blend it into smoothies. It's a convenient way to increase your daily protein intake, especially if you struggle to get enough from whole foods. Just be mindful of the serving size and your individual protein needs. Considerations and cautions. While whey protein is generally safe for most people, it's essential to be aware of potential allergies or intolerances. If you're lactose intolerant, you may want to try a whey isolate or a plant-based protein powder. As always, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any supplements to your routine. 2. Casein protein. Casein protein is another high-quality protein found in milk, making it one of the two primary proteins found in dairy, the other being whey. Casein is unique because it digests more slowly than whey, providing a sustained release of amino acids into the bloodstream over a longer period. Benefits of casein protein. Sustained release. Due to its slower digestion rate, casein is often referred to as a time-released protein. This characteristic makes it an excellent option for times when you need a steady supply of amino acids, such as during periods of fasting or before bedtime. Muscle protection. The slow digestion of casein protein can help protect muscle tissue, especially during longer periods without food. It reduces the risk of muscle breakdown, catabolism, making it valuable for individuals aiming to maintain or build muscle mass. Rich in glutamine. Casein is naturally rich in the amino acid glutamine, which plays a significant role in immune system support, gut health, and recovery after intense workouts. Feeling full. Casein can also help you feel full for longer periods due to its slow digestion, which may be beneficial for those trying to manage their appetite and reduce snacking. How to use casein protein. Casein protein is commonly used in scenarios where a slow and sustained release of protein is desired. It's an excellent choice before bed, as it provides your body with amino acids while you sleep. You can also use it during prolonged periods without food to prevent muscle breakdown. Considerations and cautions. Lactose sensitivity. While casein protein is generally low in lactose compared to whey, individuals with severe lactose intolerance may still want to consider alternatives like plant-based protein powders. Digestive sensitivity. Some individuals may find casein to be more filling or harder to digest due to its slow-release nature. If you experience any discomfort, consider adjusting the timing or type of protein supplement you consume. Before we go to our third protein, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 3. Soy protein. Soy protein is a plant-based protein derived from soybeans, making it an excellent option for vegetarians and vegans looking to meet their protein needs. Soy protein is a complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids required by the body. Benefits of soy protein. Complete protein source. As mentioned, soy protein contains all the essential amino acids, making it comparable to animal-based proteins like meat, eggs, and dairy. This makes it an ideal choice for individuals seeking a plant-based protein option. Heart health. Soy protein has been associated with potential cardiovascular benefits, including lowering LDL cholesterol levels. Consuming soy protein as part of a balanced diet may contribute to heart health. Muscle building. Soy protein is an excellent source of protein for muscle building and repair. It provides a diverse amino acid profile, including significant amounts of glutamine and arginine, which are essential for muscle growth and recovery. Hormonal balance. Soy contains natural compounds called phytoestrogens, which may help balance hormone levels in some individuals. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Allergies. Some individuals may have soy allergies, so it's essential to be aware of potential allergic reactions. Hormonal effects. While soy's phytoestrogens can be beneficial for some, those with specific hormonal conditions should consult a healthcare professional before significantly increasing soy consumption. Men should be aware of soy's estrogen-raising side effects. Soy is usually considered safe and good protein source for women. 4. Pea protein. Pea protein is a plant-based protein derived from yellow peas. It has gained popularity as a nutritious option, particularly among those with dietary restrictions such as vegans, vegetarians, or individuals with allergies to dairy or soy. Benefits of pea protein. High protein content. Pea protein is a rich source of protein, providing a substantial amount of essential amino acids. It's especially noteworthy for its high levels of branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, which are essential for muscle recovery and growth. Easy digestibility. Pea protein is gentle on the digestive system and generally well tolerated, even by those who may experience discomfort with other protein sources like whey. Allergen-friendly. Pea protein is free from common allergens like dairy, gluten, and soy. This makes it an excellent alternative for individuals with food allergies or sensitivities. Sustainable and eco-friendly. Peas have a low environmental impact compared to some other protein sources, making pea protein a more sustainable choice for those concerned about the planet. Versatile. Pea protein powder can be used in a variety of recipes, from protein shakes and smoothies to baking. It has a neutral taste, making it easy to incorporate into various dishes. Digestive sensitivity. While pea protein is generally well tolerated, some individuals may still experience digestive discomfort. Start with a smaller serving size to assess your body's response. Complete protein. While pea protein is a great source of protein, it's not a complete protein on its own. Combining it with other plant-based protein sources, such as rice protein, can help ensure you get a balanced amino acid profile. 5. Collagen. Collagen is a crucial protein that plays a fundamental role in the structure, elasticity, and health of our skin, hair, nails, and connective tissues throughout the body. It is the most abundant protein in the human body, providing essential support and strength to various tissues. Benefits of collagen. Skin health. Collagen is often referred to as the glue that holds our skin together. It helps maintain skin elasticity, hydration, and firmness. As we age, our natural collagen production decreases, which can lead to wrinkles, sagging, and a loss of skin tone. Supplementing with collagen may support skin health and a more youthful appearance. Joint support. Collagen is a major component of cartilage, the tissue that cushions our joints. Collagen supplementation has been shown to potentially improve joint comfort and mobility, making it valuable for individuals with joint issues or those who engage in physical activities. Hair and nails. Collagen's benefits extend to promoting healthy hair and nails by providing essential building blocks for their growth and strength. Gut health. Collagen contains amino acids, such as glycine and proline, which are essential for maintaining a healthy gut lining. This can help improve digestive health and support the body's natural detoxification processes. Muscle recovery. Collagen contains a unique combination of amino acids that may aid in muscle repair and recovery after exercise. How to use collagen. Collagen powder. Collagen supplements are commonly available in the form of powder, which can be easily mixed into beverages like water, coffee, smoothies, or added to recipes such as soups or baked goods. Considerations and cautions. Sources. Collagen supplements are typically derived from animal sources, such as bovine, cow, porcine, pig, or marine, fish, collagen. Choose a source that aligns with your dietary preferences and any potential allergies. Collagen types. There are different types of collagen, type 1, 2, 3, etc., each with specific benefits. Type 1 and 3 collagen are often used for skin health, while type 2 is more focused on joint support. So there you have it. Whether you're aiming to build muscle, recover after a tough workout, or simply increase your protein intake, remember, finding the right protein powder for you is all about aligning it with your unique goals and dietary preferences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Stay healthy and keep crushing those goals.